Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up PlayStation 5 controller on PC. Pro guide step by step clearly. To set up your PlayStation 5 controller on a PC, start by ensuring your controller is charged. Next, you'll need to connect your controller to your PC. You can connect via USB or Bluetooth, depending on your preference. For a wired connection, take a USB-C cable and plug one end into your controller. Connect the other end of the USB-C cable to a USB port on your PC. If you prefer a wireless connection, make sure your PC has Bluetooth capabilities. Press and hold the PlayStation button and the Create button on your controller simultaneously. The light bar on the controller will start to flash, indicating it's in pairing mode. Now, go to your PC and open the Bluetooth settings. In Windows, click on the Start menu and select Settings. From the Settings menu, choose Devices and then Bluetooth and Other Devices. Ensure Bluetooth is turned on and click on Add Bluetooth or Other Device. Select Bluetooth from the list of options. Your PC will search for available devices. Once you see Wireless Controller pop up, click on it to pair. Wait until you see a notification confirming that the device is connected. After successful pairing, you can start using your controller for gaming. To ensure your controller works properly, you may want to test it. Open your preferred game or a game controller testing app. Check if the buttons and joysticks respond correctly. If needed, you can install additional software like Steam to configure the controller settings further. In Steam, go to Settings and select Controller. Here, you can customize button mappings and sensitivity to suit your gaming style. That's it, your PlayStation 5 controller is now fully set up on your PC. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.